The army cannot be personalized by anyone, and it is not a platform for the size of power. ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Muchangwa says. Sabina mashuka mdatoka pana Chris Muchangwa achiti aiwa, the military cannot be personalized by anyone. Panguva ino toona kuti maprotest aiwa nemakals eresignation emutungamiri wenyika achiintensifya achilidwa naBom Shogeza. Ivo subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Ndimira panapa the news zokusomdanyira titi. This comes as President Emmerson Mnangagwa's political supporters are standing firm in defiant resistance to mounting internal pressure from war veterans. Key allies of Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's military-backed ZANU-PF faction fighting the rival camp, loyal to the president. In the aftermath, yesterday's mass action, stay away. Mnangagwa, who first came into power through a military in November 2017 before legitimizing himself through disputed elections, Chiwenga are locked in a fierce succession battle for the heart and soul of the ruling party. Chiwenga and Muchangwa, among others, were part of the November 2017 coup, supporting Mnangagwa before a bitter fallout. They were fears Chiwenga's faction would leverage the army to remove Mnangagwa, as repeatedly demanded by war veterans led by Blessed Geza and his comrades. Mnangagwa recently coup-proofed his rule by removing Army Commander Lieutenant General Anselm Sanyatwe, a key Chiwenga ally, replacing him with Lieutenant General Emmanuel Matatu. General Philip Vario Swata is the Zimbabwe Defense Forces commander. Mnangagwa also recently made some leadership changes at the police and intelligence service in a bid to thwart Chiwenga ndomashikwa panapa. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi pena comment section medu. So unsubscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.